Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I'm going to introduce an AI tool that allows users to chat with any PDF document. Actually, it is designed to help students, researchers, teachers, and professionals quickly find answers and understand the content of PDFs. With the help of AI engine, you can reduce your research time and you can get your answers very quickly. So let's see how it works. So don't worry, I will share the link in the description. The name is the BrainyPDF and it is free for 2 PDFs per day, and the limit for the PDF pages is 120, which is not bad actually. So you can use daily 2 PDFs on free account. So let's see how it works. First of all, you have to log in with Google ID. I'm using my Google ID to log in. So just click here to upload the PDF. I have already selected one PDF for this purpose. So let's see how it works. You can see my selected PDF on the right side, which is about was the universe born inside a black hole. It's a research paper of Charles Peterson for BS Mechanical Engineering. So let's talk with this PDF. It's a big PDF and very technical, and let us ask some questions and check how it works. So you can see here on the left side, the summary has already been generated. The document discusses the research on the dynamic of the early universe and the possibility of universe existing within a black hole. So there are some example questions. Let's try asking some questions from this PDF. So let's say, so according to this paper, how universe was created? So you can ask any question, and rather than reading the whole paper, you can see AI will help you and generate a very quick answer. You can see here it is also give you a reference. So right now it's a small PDF of 4 pages, but if you have a PDF for 120 pages even, it can find very quick answers in milliseconds. So let us ask more question. You can see some graphs are there. So let's ask some questions about these graphs. What are these graphs represent? So you can see here the answer is written clearly. The graph represent the scale factor of the universe in a black hole. So you can ask 50 questions maximum in one PDF, and you can chat with 2 PDFs every day with the free account. So once you finish the chat, you can also download this chat as a PDF. You can also share with someone else, and it will be saved in your accounts for future reference. This is amazing. It will save a lot of time. Rather than reading a long document, you can use AI to make summary and help you to find answers of your required questions. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.